Welcome to the real world, an augmented reality environment to experience your artwork. To find your billboard location, there are two options. Enter the location coordinates or the location address. For the best results, we recommend using the location coordinates, as they provide pinpoint accuracy. Simply enter the longitude and latitude coordinates provided by your billboard company. If coordinates aren't available, no worries. You can also enter the location address where you'd like to display your billboard and will be able to fine-tune the location in the next step. After you've entered your location information, click Confirm. The purple lines indicate roads. The pin inside the red circle is your current location. You can move the location if needed by clicking on the road closest to your desired billboard location. To view areas of the map that are outside of your current view, left-click and drag the map until you see the location you want. In order to proceed past this screen, you must click on a purple road path. You are now viewing the location based on the coordinates and the road you clicked on in the last screen. The goal of this screen is to place the billboard a short distance in front of you. If you cannot see your billboard, you can adjust your view 360 degrees by right-clicking on the roadway and dragging it in the direction you want to view. Remember, your billboard may be behind you or off on the left or right side of the road. In order to move forward or backward in short increments, there are white directional arrows if you look down. In order to look down, click on the roadway and drag the view down. Then, click on the arrows in the direction you want to move. If you're too far away from your billboard, click on the map icon at the top right of the screen to reveal the map adjustment panel and change your location. Once you have your billboard visible in front of you, click Confirm. To set the vehicle path to simulate driving, you will first need to set the zoom point. The zoom point can be set by placing your cursor in the location you want to simulate driving towards. If you are on a straight road, you would want to place the zoom point in the center of the road past the billboard. If the road path is anything other than straight, adjust where you place the zoom point to account for the road path. By clicking the Test Zoom button, it will demonstrate the zoom functionality. Ensure it is optimized for your drive path. To change the drive path, click the Reset Zoom button to clear the previous zoom point and start again. Click Confirm to continue. The purpose of this screen is to tell the platform where you want to place your artwork. Using your cursor, you will click on the four corners of the billboard you want to place your artwork on. You will notice after each click, an indicator will appear identifying the outer corner of the billboard. If you made an error, simply click Reset Selection and start over. Once you have completed all four corners, click Confirm. To add your artwork, simply click on the Upload Artwork button, locate your desired file, and click to select it. Then confirm your choice by clicking the Confirm button. Once you click on the Upload button, the system will check if you have any available uploads. Each upload allows you to input one design into the Drive Your Art platform and use that design in any or all of the customizable environments. If you do not have an available upload in your account, you can purchase additional uploads at driveyourart.com. Your remaining upload count will always be visible in the top right corner of your screen. You will now see your artwork at the location you have chosen. The bottom panel offers more customization of your view. Start by clicking the Zoom button to drive towards your artwork. Click Zoom Out to reset the zoom. You can also use your mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. To change your vehicle path simulation, simply click on the Zoom Point button and select a new location on the street to drive by your artwork. Additionally, you can control the pace of your viewing experience by adjusting the zoom speed. Use the up arrow to accelerate or the down arrow to slow down. In the top left corner, you will have access to the flyout menu. At the bottom of the menu, you will have the option to save this environment, allowing you to revisit this exact setup later, or share it with a client or colleague by clicking Save Environment and naming this session. The Restart Builder button takes you to the Select Advertising Product page, where you can start a new configuration to test your artwork in a different environment. You're all set to drive your art. To record your experience and share it with clients and colleagues, click the recording button on the bottom panel. You'll be prompted to enter a file name for your video. After naming your recording and clicking Save, the simulation will begin automatically. Once the path is complete, your video will be saved in MP4 format in your Drive Your Art folder. You'll be directed to your File Explorer, where you can easily copy, paste, or drag the file to your preferred location.